Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back. So guys, as part of the today's session, let us see a brief overview on an agent. So let's get started with a small example. See, consider guys, I want to travel to a particular country and I don't have any passport or I don't know how to book a ticket, how to travel or how to book an accommodation at that particular destination. I don't have any idea. So in such situations, what I will be doing? So here, I will be approaching a person who is a travel agency, or I can say a travel agent basically. I will approach him. So he charge money from me basically, but he does the work whatever I need. He book a flight ticket for me, he book an accommodation for me. Of course, if I don't have any passport, he will apply a passport for me. All the necessary things he does for me and he charge money from me, right? So the ultimate point here in this example is a person on behalf of us. He is doing all that particular work. We call him as an agent in the real world. There are a number of agents in the real world. So probably if you have an RTO, there is an agent. If you have an LIC or housing loan documentation, so everywhere you do find an agent. So what an agent does, whatever the work we are supposed to do, they will be doing on behalf of us. That itself is an agent in the real world, which is a human world. Moving on to an artificial intelligence AI world, an AI agent is it itself is a software program that can achieve a specific goal by using an artificial intelligence. That's it. So here an AI agent is designed on top of an artificial intelligence to achieve a specific goal. Consider that I want to draft an email, so I can create an agent for that. And I want to do a quick summary on all the websites available to get a least flight prices. Basically, I can create an AI agent for that. So AI agent, whatever the task that you want to do on behalf of us, we can create an agent that performs that work and that achieves that work, which we can call it as a goal basically. Okay, and here the key thing that we need to consider here is an AI agent can make independent decisions, and it uses various tools, and if required it will be interacting with the other agents in order to complete the task whatever we have given to that particular agent. Okay, perfectly all right. Let us further deep dive into this particular concept. Ideally, whenever you are asking any questions to your LLM, right, it will search for all the available tools, and then based on that available tools, it will pick a particular tool and it will process that particular request. So you may ask a question, Surendra, this statement is a bit confusing. Could you please give a small example for that? Perfect. Let me elaborate this one with a small example by considering a conversation between two different friends here. So consider that we have a one friend Raj and another friend as a Sam. There is a small conversation between Raj and as well as a Sam. So with this, we will understand more about the LLM and the various tools that it's being using. Okay, so the first friend name is a Raj. So what Raj has done is he asked Sam to go and check whether the water tank is full or not. Okay, so the task that it was given right now from Raj to Sam is to go and check whether the water tank got filled or not. Who received this task right now? Sam. So, Sam, as and when he received the task, who will act? So, the first and the foremost thing is Sam's brain, which is an LLM. It receives the request and then it will analyze the task, what needs to be done. So, what exactly he needs to do? He needs to go and check the water level in that particular tank. Then, what Sam's brain will do, it will send instructions to the available tools in his body. The various tools on an individual body are hands, legs, eyes. These are the various tools that we have in our body. So from the brain, it will send an instruction to legs, go to the tank. And then once he approached the tank, again he will send, his brain will send an instruction to his eyes, check the water level. So here legs, and eyes are the tools that are used by our brain LLM to execute this task. Once after eyes noticed that, once after eyes validated that the tank level, whether it is full or not, eyes will send back an execution result to your brain stating that, buddy, the tank is full, buddy, the tank isn't full. So eyes will send back the result to your brain LLM. So which means the tool will send back the result to your LLM. So LLM will receive it and it will process that particular request to your user, which means Raj is the person who asked this particular question. So once after my eyes, okay, Sam eyes gave a response to our brain and it sent back the response. It will give an update to Raj that the tank is full. So in this situation, our brain is using our body tools, legs and an eyes in order to process the request. The similar way, LLM uses various tools and it will process individual requests that LLM is receiving. Okay, on a high level, I can say that tool is a capability or a function that a AI agent can use in order to perform that particular action. And moreover, for every tool there will be a description which is an important. So this eyes, okay, it will watch, legs, it will walk, okay, hands, it can lift and it can put down, ears, they will listen. So these are the individual tools. Individual tool has a description. The similar way, LLM has an interaction with a multiple tools, and LLM does has an individual description for that particular tool, what it's gonna perform. Okay, perfectly all right. So how this AI is gonna work, AI agent is gonna work? See, the simple thing here is we are a person who are creating an AI agent. So it's our responsibility to set a high level goal for that particular agent. Okay, and agent perceives the current state of its environment and it uses a reasoning to understand the goal. Then agent creates a plan, go actions to achieve that particular goal. Agent executes that particular action using the available tools. Agent will observe the result and it will adjust its plan for the future tasks. Okay, so this is all about how the AI agent is going to work. Finally, I can say that AI agent is a software program in order to achieve a specific goal which internally uses an artificial intelligence. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next lecture. Thank you.